Hello everyone, so my name is Tafar Shansa and I'm from Quest TM2P and my NRP is 0036, and today I want to tell a description about this tool. This tool is called hand drill, and hand drill is a manual tool. The function is to make holes in materials such like wood, metal, or iron, and something else. It can also be used to tighten or loosen screws by changing the drill bit into a screwdriver bit. And then the second one, I want to tell about part of the hand drill. The part of the hand drill, the main parts include the chuck, which holds the drill bit, the trigger switch to control the speed, and then the handle, this one. The handle is for gripping to your hand, and then the last one is the motor inside the body, and the power cord or battery for energy supply. Next, about the measurement. A hand drill is usually measured by its power capacity and chuck size. The common chuck size are 10 millimeter and 13 millimeters. The length of hand drill is generally around 20 to 30 centimeters, depending of the type and the model. Okay, and then the next one is about material. The material hand drill is usually made from plastic or the rubber material, and then the gear mechanism is made from metal or iron for the strength. And then the most important things when you want to use hand drill, you must wear a safety requirements like safety glasses to protect your eye and safety gloves to protect your hand.
Oh my god guys, sorry, I forgot one thing. The last one is how to use hand drill correctly. Before using the drill, first of all, we must choose the correct drill according to the material we want to make holes. Then insert the drill bit to the chuck and tighten it securely. Next, marking the point where you want to drill the hole. After that, hold the drill firmly with both hands and place the drill bit on the mark point. Turn on the drill and apply gentle, steady pressure while keeping the drill straight. While drilling, make sure the drill remains stable so the hole is neat and accurate. When the hole is finished, slowly release the trigger and remove the drill bit from the material. And finally, turn off the drill and clean the drill bit if necessary. And that's it. That's all, and thank you so much.
And that's it. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.